Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I'm doing a video hop today with the Art Joy of Sharing Facebook group, and the theme is tribal. You find all the information and the links in the description box below on YouTube. And what I am going to do is I gathered some stuff. I'm going to make a little collage in my new little collage book with junk journal papers. And well, I'm going to make little collages in this book. I did one already, the A, and I want to do the alphabet. So this is the B, this is the C, and so on. And well, I thought tribal is the T. So this is the T, the page, I counted it, and this was the T. So I'm going to make a spread over here with a little collage with this stuff. I found some papers and some tribal stamps. I don't know if you can see that. And a little picture. And I have, well, made a stamp a long time ago, and it's a bit tribal drawing art, and another piece of paper and some little pieces of washi tape I'm going to use, I think. Well, I'm not sure what to do, but I'm going to start with my collage. I'm starting with some gesso, I think, and then we'll see where I'm going to end. I will put some pages on here. One over here and one over here. Some book pages just to protect the other pages. So I'm going to speed up, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. And when you click on the first link in the description below, you hop through the video, and when you are getting back to me, well, you did the whole hop. So enjoy watching.